In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to void or delete invoices. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Sales and then select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices area where you can manage the invoices that have already been created in your account. Once you're on this page, you'll see a list of your invoices. This list gives you a quick overview of the invoices in your system, making it easier to find the one you want to update. Take a moment to locate the specific invoice you want to void or delete. It's a good idea to double-check that you've chosen the correct one before making any changes, since voiding and deleting affect your records differently. When you've found the invoice you want to work with, look for the drop-down icon on that invoice. Click that drop-down and you'll see options that allow you to either void the invoice or delete it. At this point, choose the option that matches what you need to do. If you select Void, QuickBooks keeps a record of the invoice but changes the amounts to 0. This can be useful if you want to preserve the invoice history for your records while making sure it no longer affects your totals. If you select Delete, the invoice is removed entirely. That option is usually best if the invoice was created by mistake and you don't need it to remain in your records. After choosing either Void or Delete, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm it to complete the action. Once that's done, your invoice will be updated based on the option you selected. And that's it. That's how you void or delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. As a quick tip, always make sure you understand whether you want to keep a record of the transaction before deciding between void and delete. Voiding is often the safer option when you want an audit trail, while deleting is better for entries that should never have been there in the first place. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to manage invoices by voiding or deleting them in QuickBooks Online.